future prospect ng Gilas na si Andy Gemao at bad boy ng Pampanga na si Jenmar Bragays nagkampi sa isang liga sa Misamis Oriental para maglaro sa CM Farm. Pagkapasok ni Gemao sa court ay pumukol kaagad ng tres. Sigawan lahat ng crowd sa arena, palag-palag sa mga veterano. Nag-flex pa sa ginawang end one play, pero hindi rin biro ang nakalaban nila. Tindi din ng chemistry. Humantong pa sa intense na laban. Galit na galit sa ref, si Marvin Hayes at Bragays at yung import ng kalaban. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights intense game na ito.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
First possession. Step back, Salado. Ito'y Salado. Soliano. Side step. Lingo-lingo. Tomanzo. To John Corcabahog. Three-pointer. First, John Manzo. Driving floater. It's good for John Man by Maestre. Balik kay Manzo. Manzo, di-discarded. Push Salado. Floater again. It's good for Asuminaling. Nabitaw ng bola. Dumulas to Kabuga. Behind the back pass to the big man. Andy Gimao. Pasok na. Galing Canada. For his Andy Gimao fires his first three-pointer of the ball game. Lux Andy Gimao. Salado answers the three. Kabahog. Against Kin Salado. Steal by Salado. Block by Bragaez. Put back. Cover the ball. Cross pass. Step back. Jenmar Bragaez. Push. Fader short. Andy Gimao. Put back no good. San shout out. Andy. Jumper is good for Andy. Yes. Obligado. Nakalusot. Basket count. Kill by Andy. Finds Jenmar to Landres Sanjo. Napakagandang Lenda. Lenda Bubuelo. Nabitaw ng bola. Offensive rebound and reverse is good. Jenmar di diskarte. Finds Kobe Palencia for 3. Crossover. Finds doon sa corner. 3-pointer. Willow. Offensive rebound. Ray Suerte. Floater. Put back by Landres Sanjo. No good. Suerte. Rebound. CM Farm on the run. To Landres Sanjo. Touchdown pass. To Salado. Nakalusot. 2 points. Ray Suerte. Crossover. Finds Kobe Palencia. Faking. Extra pass. So Willow. Leo. Time winding down. Step back ni Soliano, napakalayo. Pasok for Soliano. Pagsak doon si Marvin Hayes. Kabuga with a left-handed. Marvin Hayes. To Suerte. On the attack mode. Using the high glass. Steal. Pagsak doon si Ray Suerte. Drop pass to Landres Sanjo. Crossover in traffic. Tinapo na lang. Ayun na. Easy 2 lang for Andy against Lingo-Lingo. And he is fouled by Marvin Hayes. Cross pass it. Andy Gimao. Attack. He is fouled. And a basket count for Andy Gimao. Obligado. Alley-oop. To Kabuga. So, Andy Hima for 3! Obligado. Answer at 3. Yes. Andy Hima, another 3-pointer. Wala. Kabuga. In the corner, Addison. Lenda, offensive rebound. Against. Jumper is good. Andy nagmamadali. Forcing the shot. No good. Kala niya may foul. Floater is good. Sanjo. Spinning. Sanjo. Basket count. And the attack. He is fouled. First free throw Mintes. Second. Jenmar Bragaez. To Landry Sanjo. Basket count. Bonus throw no good. End of the third quarter. To Landry Sanjo. Sanjo again. Good pass by Sanjo to John Gorka. Kabuga. 3-pointer. Pasok. Offensive foul. Sanjo. Two points. Manzo nanggigigil. Manzo. Steal na naman. Soliano fires a 3. Under 5 minutes. Manzo floater. Yes, sir. Lenda scored. Manzo. Willow attack. No good. Black. Ito'y Salado. To Kabuga. To Lenda again. Salado. Again, Sandy. Salado nakalusot. Pinilit. Kabuga with an alley-oop. Andy to Suerte scored. Lenda fires a 3. Wala. Sanjo to Andy. 3-pointer. Wala. May foul na tinawag. Agbong. Behind the back pass. 10 seconds. And that's it. That's the end of the ball game. Winner Arno CDO by 6 points, 67-61.